Food is crucial to life. It's essential. It's basic. And we believe growing it and growing it well shouldn't be complex, take up all your time, or be overwhelming. What if there was a simple way to grow pure, nutrient-dense food without guesswork, without mind-boggling spreadsheets or time-consuming flip calendars, or just flying by the seat of your pants? Hey, I'm Paul, and I'm on a mission to take your passion for growing food and make it so simple and efficient, it's as natural as brushing your teeth. It all started when, perhaps a bit rashly, my dad and I promised our gardening students that we would give them custom weekly checklists of what to do in their gardens based on their current locations. We soon discovered that that was a lot bigger of a task than we bargained for, and none of the gardening tools we could find really made it much easier. But a promise is a promise, right? So after intensive research, we finally pulled off turning our own massive gardening spreadsheets into our first simple click and drop gardening calendars. And when we first showed them to our students, let's just say they went crazy. I've never seen gardeners so excited about anything in my entire life. But the problem was, though our first calendars were one of the best products on the market, they weren't fully customizable. While they made planning a year-round garden easy, they were generic. Our students needed something better. They needed a garden plan they could personalize. Introducing Seedtime, the first home gardening app that lets you easily visualize and plan exactly when to do anything in your garden all year round based on your local area. We've taken everything about our first gardening calendars and made it a whole lot better. Now you can customize planting schedules to see exactly when to seed, prepare your beds, transplant, harvest, and more. You can move the plantings to fit the harvest around that vacation you were planning. You can add your own custom crops from scratch. You'll be able to view your whole year at a glance or compare and adjust planting schedules in an awesome timeline view. With our weekly automatic checklists, you can always feel on top of things. And what about that crazy idea of having a continual harvest? Our succession plantings feature has turned what used to be a mind-bending task into a simple click. And our proprietary winter gardening algorithm will automatically calculate your harvest delays over the winter, and will even adjust for you if you're growing in a hoop house or undercover. If you ever get stuck, we've got you. Click on any task for detailed instruction and demonstration videos. You'll know exactly what to do, when to do it, and how to do it, all in one place, all at the tip of your fingers. But frankly, this is just the beginning. We have a lot more plans in the pipeline, like garden space maps, real-time weather alerts, harvest records, and an entire small farm extension. In a world filled with uncertainty, fragile food systems, and toxic waste, there is no better time to grow your own food than now. The backyard gardening revolution is here, and it just got a whole lot easier because your garden matters, your health matters, your time matters, your loved ones matter. Whether it's the first time you've ever planted a seed, if gardening is already a part of your lifestyle, or if you're changing the world with a small farm, Seedtime is here to save you time and make planning your year-round harvest so simple a child can do it. Help us bring Seedtime to life. Get your account today.